Every November, there's this big rush to purchase all those tempted, big, flashy Black Friday deals, especially business tools. But today, I actually want to show you the other side of this season, and it's the tools I'm not buying. And it's how I'm thinking through like smarter upgrades instead of just really just being stuck in this idea of spending less. That isn't the goal, actually. I want to be more in this spending wisely phase. So let's talk about it. Hey, go getters. This is your girl, Tanisha Halstead from Virtually Centered Solutions and your host of the Tech Fuss Made Easy. In this first section, we'll talk through the tools that I'm skipping. So, tool number one would be another project management app. Let's face it, it's not typically the app, it's typically our lack of consistency or clarity. So switching won't fix that. What I recommend is understanding your processes and flows, getting some steps in places before you actually switch to another tool. Number two would be new all in one platforms. It always looks appealing, it's shiny, it's beautiful, but migrating and rebuilding system to me equals weeks of lost time. And that's something you have to evaluate. Right now, I'm in this season of simplicity. So, tool number three for me would be random AI tools. They are popping up everywhere. They're cool, but sometimes we purchase them not because we have a use case. And unused AI to me still equals expensive AI and unused subscriptions. Tool number four would be another design or creative tool. If Canva is doing the job, you don't need another Canva duplicate. You don't need 50 other things to be creating images or video and things of that nature. So, where I'm switching my focus to is actually upgrading smart instead. So, instead of buying shiny new things, I'm upgrading what I already use. So, things that I'm thinking of in this first phase of upgrade is improving the tools that actually save me the most time. So for me, that might be my project management tool, which is currently ClickUp. And then it could be also my scheduler. I am actually using TidyCal right now for scheduling. And my email marketing system is also another one. I'm switching from Kit to actually SendFox, and we'll talk about that later. But another easy way is to think of the tools that you use daily. Maybe you can now pay for them annual. And I think that daily use gives a great return on investment. Last but not least would be storage or backup. Oh my gosh, it sounds so boring, but really a lifeline to your business. I was able to score like an external, like 5 terabyte Black Friday deal storage at Costco one year. So just think through, it might be cloud storage you need, it might be external storage that you need. But the real strategy is don't buy tools because they're discounted. You want to buy tools because you already use them, or you want more ease, or you want more automation, or you want more organization. So when you shop like that, you don't waste money. You actually buy back your time. And that's our ultimate goal as small business owners. So I want you in this Black Friday season to skip the impulse purchases. Upgrade what's already working for you. And I want you to let Black Friday support your business, not distracted. And I'm gonna lean in for that one, not distracted. So if this was helpful to you, please go ahead and hit that like button. It lets YouTube know that others should see this video. If you want to be in tune for the other videos in the series, then you could also feel free to hit that subscribe button, and you'll be able to see the next one that come out in this particular series and others in the future. So as always, I'm cheering you on. Love y'all. Bye.